Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2011 Porsche 911 Speedster. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any way it touched the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I do not see any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver door. This door looks excellent. I do not see any scratches on it at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition as well, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the driver's side is spotless. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Okay, everything back here looks really good. I do not see any scratches at all. Everything is in perfect condition. Excellent. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door has no scratches at all, no dents. Everything here looks perfect. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks fine, no scratches here, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Now the door panel. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Good. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car does have navigation. All right, let's have a look at the rest of the center console and make sure if there's no wear and tear. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Good. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.